Not every tire. You message me. I'll let you know what size I have.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today's video it's kind of like a follow-up to my last video. I got more tires from my other connection, and then also there's just a few other things going on. It's not specifically in this video, but things are starting to turn around for me. I had a really bad year due to a lot of personal issues, and now my connections for the tires, I have two really good ones recently, so I'll show some of that today and some other stuff, just a snippet of what else is to come. So thanks for tuning in, and let's get right into it.
I'm taking another small load today. I'm going to my dealership connection. I'm probably going to get between 6 to 8 tires, and I'm just gonna instead of having to rent a truck, I'm just gonna put everything in bags like I did last time, and then just throw everything in the trunk and also the back seat, and it should be a good load today. I think there's a pair of 17s and there are some 20s. Hopefully I can get some more tires that will fit for the BMW M3 and M4.
This is me inside the dealership from my last video. So this guy gets me tires, but for any videos in the future, I can't show his face and I can't show the inside of the dealership because he could lose his job and I can lose a connection for tires, and it's just not worth the risk and to lose the money. Now it's time to bag the tires. That way I can throw it in my car and keep the interior of it clean. The tires, some of them have nails, but if you look at the tread, it's like 95%. It's really good condition. It's gonna make a lot of money for me. I have 8 tires in there, but because they're so big, these last 2, they won't fit. So I'll just come back for them next time. This is what it looks like, jamming in 8 tires. And then I tried to squeeze 2 more, but it just wasn't happening. Now I'm going back to the storage unit. But a guy had messaged me earlier at about 7 a.m. in the morning, and I told him to make an appointment with me. But he just decides to show up. So right now, this is a good thing because I have money waiting for me as soon as I get there. He's there already.
So you just showed up. But right now, I'm actually on the way there. So wait for me, about 10, 15 minutes away. 10 or 15 minutes away.
No problem. I wait, no problem.
Okay, I'll call you when I get there.
No problem.
All right, thanks. Bye. All right, so these are 235 4018s. These are for a Honda Civic. 235 4018. Tread is really good on these. I would say it's around 85 to 90%.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, man?
How are you? It's good.
Yeah, it's good condition, man.
You have more tires?
How many do you have more of this?
No, sometimes, oh, the same?
Same size.
Oh, no, sometimes some friend need something else.
Yeah, I have others. You can just see on my page what I have.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna have to go in the back seat.
Anyway, can I keep your cell phone?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just message me. Yeah, just message.
Any tire you have, right?
Not every tire. You message me. I'll let you know what size I have.
Okay.
Did we agree to 150?
Yeah.
Can you show me the message? I have a lot of message.
Oh, no. Look at that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got a lot of messages. Okay. All right. Thank you, man. You have a good day. Yeah.
Now let's get back to unloading the tires.
This is what I picked up today. 8 tires total. Okay, one set is 275, 50, 20. These are Michelin's. 2 of them are in really good condition. This one and this one. These 2 are low. but it's a set. This one's 235 55 18. It's practically new. You can see the factory knobs on this one. 235 55 18 Continentals. That one has a nail and one of the other ones has a nail too. All I have to do is take them out, patch it, and then we're good to go. I'm gonna take pictures of these and just throw them in and then be on my way. I just wanted to say that, you know, it's been a rough year and things are starting to turn around. I'm really happy. I have the setup the way that I want right now, and you know, hopefully I could continue to do this minimally, still have people, you know, making the sets for me, make my money, you know, have less stress, and then move on to other things. I'm going to a seminar at the end of the month. I'll probably film a video for you guys. It's not related to the tires, but it's just related to like bettering your life, and that's what I want everyone to see from the videos. As much as there's a lot of drama and a lot of bullshit, at the end of the day, it is about, you know, what is it that you're willing to do, what is your perspective, what can you do to better your life. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Before I go, this is just some footage on the next video regarding the Honda Civic and Accord tires. I'm going to Disney World next weekend, and once I come back, I'll finish the video and you guys can see all the progress I have made and how fast I sold the tires.